Hi, I'm Vanessa with Huntsville Utilities. Today I'm going to share with you a few tips about televisions that hopefully will help you save energy the next time you turn yours on. Studies show that the average amount of time that we spend watching television is up to 10 hours a day, and with each passing year that number continues to climb. A habit that can catch many of us is leaving the television on when no one is actively watching it. Using the sleep mode on your television can help you in the evenings. It can also help to curb the temptation to stay up late watching a television show that you really like. In this case, some of the older television sets can actually use less power than the newer televisions. New LED displays use considerably less power compared to the plasma televisions from just a few years ago. Brand new to the market are UHD televisions, and because of the screen size, they use considerably more power. So, just because it's a new TV does not mean it's energy efficient. Be sure to look for the Energy Star label when you're shopping for your new television. There is also another factor to power usage that we often take for granted when it comes to our televisions, and that's brightness control. Out of the box, the television is set to the highest, brightest setting. Turning down the brightness reduces the amount of power used. Where you place your television matters. While technology for backlit televisions has improved, they also use more power. So place your television in a room that is darker so that the television will not have to compete for the light.
If you would like to have your home assessed for energy efficiency, please contact us.
We hope these tips on television usage have helped you. For more information on energy efficiency tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.